What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando. It's been quite a while since we've been here, and we know some changes are going on. Let's go check them out. Ticket windows are not busy, nor was security or the turnstiles. We'll be right in. Yep, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. The SeaWorld store has some nice fall decorations on the outside. And we can see a nice photo opportunity spot with pumpkins over here. Again, front entrance looks pretty good. The SeaWorld Rescue store also has some of those wreaths hanging on the outside. Adds a nice touch. And the same goes for Cypress Bakery. Something we absolutely need to touch on is SeaWorld Spooktacular, weekend September 19th through November 1st, trick-or-treating for kids. And there's some good candy, as you can see right there. Just off to the side, we can see the map. There's all sorts of locations. You can see those little candy icons for where the candy stops are. So yes, if you're in the area, come check it out. And here's a look at some of the prior events and upcoming ones as well. We had Electric Ocean, Flicks and Fireworks. Craft Beer Festival is going on through November 1st. SeaWorld's Halloween Spooktacular through November 1st as well. SeaWorld's Christmas Celebration, November 21st through December 31st. And of course, we have New Year's Eve here at SeaWorld. Dolphin Nursery had a new addition recently. That's right, a baby dolphin was born here. Mama and baby doing well. Entering the waterfront, we can see all sorts of decorations for the Craft Beer Festival. Hops hanging. And then off to the right, we have some beers on display right there. So yes, tons of good drinks and eats. I love the hops hanging up all over the place. Looks awesome. Well, like we said a little bit earlier, SeaWorld's Christmas celebration is coming back, and this is awesome to see. The Sea of Trees, they're back on the water. As we can see here by the wiring, it looks like they're not done hooking everything up. So yes, a lot of work in progress to make this thing look beautiful, and it really is with all of those lights. It's that weird time of year where you're literally between two events. They're setting up for Christmas celebration, and then over here, they have the Halloween stuff going on. So again, all the treat stops right over there. Spiders and Christmas trees. Festive. Alright, so let's talk about that rumored 2021 roller coaster that was supposed to be going into this area. I still think it's on the books, but it's obviously delayed. We would have had construction start a long time ago, but hopefully we're going to have some pieces or work or marking show up within the next couple months. We shall see. When it does, we'll let you know. Construction duck, come here, buddy. Come here. Good to see you again. Oh man, it is Construction Duck Palooza. Usually when we see construction ducks, there's construction going on for a roller coaster, and we can see icebreaker right here, but unfortunately it looks like the site is quiet, and it's been that way for a while. Just in case if you were wondering what one of the bases for the Sea of Trees looks like, well, there you go. Orca Encounter, and they do have a show today at 4:30. It's going to give us some views of Icebreaker. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
No way. There's an osprey.
In the soap zone. There's an English Gardens of SeaWorld Park.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of all of us here at SeaWorld, I would like to take this moment to show our support to the men and women.
In just a few minutes, you'll meet SeaWorld's killer whales. First though, let's find out more about the remarkable animal.
Wild Arctic is still not in operation. It was closed many months ago, but they had the exhibit open. Unfortunately now, nothing is open. And it says, pardon our bubbles, we are making improvements. Now, we did tell you a while back that a bar was coming right next to it. And guess what? It looks like it's almost ready. Glacier Bar will be the name. Looks pretty nice. And it also appears we will have a Coca-Cola freestyle machine or two in this location. One of the many photo opportunity spots and decorations for SeaWorld Spooktacular. Gotta love the pumpkin fish. Mango Joe's, and unfortunately it's not in operation over here at the entrance for Icebreaker. The frame is up for the sign, but the sign is nowhere to be found. Now we are hearing very plausible rumors that crews may be back on site sometime in November for this attraction. Fingers crossed. We'll let you know if that does happen. Pumpkins and roller coasters. I like it. As we can see, the trick-or-treat trail right over here goes by Bayside Stadium. Weekends, but we get some up-close views of Icebreaker from there. Another thing, work walls have all been removed right here, so this area is opened up a lot. As we can see here, Sesame Street Land is getting into the spirit of things. Spooky and Kooky's Pumpkin Patch Maze. Lots of fun activities for kids. There's inflatable pumpkins and more all over the place. Yep, I'm okay with the giant inflatable pumpkins. I like it. Hello, Infinity Falls, and it is good to see it back in operation again. As we can see, a raft going down right now. More craft beer locations all over the place. Craft beer stands all over the place, and this is a bit different. We used to have a Coke area right here, but it's gone. And it opens up some views of Mako, which is kind of nice. As you can see, we can get pretty close. Pink chicken boats. I love it. Mako, and unfortunately I have not had a chance to ride it since I got number 1000. Hopefully soon. More hops decorations over here by Sharks, and we can see a little mini stage. This is a little bit different. Over here at Manta, we have new signage, and it's for Chick-fil-A. So it looks like they have some sponsorship deals going on. A little interesting though. Sky Tower, and no, it's closed, and it has been for quite a while. Not sure when it will reopen. And finally, the most important part of our update, real pink chickens. Yeah. Another thing to keep in mind is that some attractions do close early, like Journey to Atlantis and Kraken. So check the calendar for SeaWorld Orlando and make sure it doesn't affect your visit. Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from SeaWorld Orlando, and I'm happy to say that the park is doing some wonderful things for decorations this year, as we have Halloween Spooktacular going on, and they're setting up for Christmas celebration. Sea of Trees are going in the water. Icebreaker, well, it's sitting there, not doing much, but we are hearing rumors that it could be picking up again sometime in November. Fingers crossed. Of course, if anything else does change here at the park, we'll let you know. We're going to have more updates, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.